In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a MailChimp campaign. If you've ever needed a clean, hard copy of a newsletter for a meeting, approvals, or archiving, this quick process will get you a printer-friendly version without digging through the editor or screenshots. Start by heading into your MailChimp account and going to the campaigns area. You'll find it in the main navigation and it lists all your emails, whether there are drafts scheduled or already sent. This is the best place to locate the exact campaign you want to print because you can see the subject line, status, and send date at a glance. Take a moment to confirm you're opening the right one, especially if you have similar versions or A/B tests. Next, find the specific campaign in the list and look for the small drop-down arrow beside it. Click that arrow to reveal additional options for that campaign. This menu gives you quick access to commonly used actions without opening the full editor. From here, choose View Email. This opens the web version of your campaign in a clean, browser-based view. It's ideal for printing because you're seeing exactly what subscribers see, without the distraction of editing panels or analytics overlays. With the email open in your browser, press Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. That opens your browser's print dialog and displays a live preview. Before you proceed, check the preview for layout, spacing, and page breaks. If your design is wide or includes large images, switching between portrait and landscape can improve fit. If the colors or background sections look faint, enable the option to print background graphics available in most browsers. You can also adjust scale if content looks too large or too small, and set margins to default or none for a tighter layout. For the cleanest look, consider turning off browser headers and footers so you don't print the page URL or date unless you need them. Finally, confirm the destination is your intended printer. Or choose Save as PDF if you're keeping a digital copy. That's it. You navigated to campaigns, opened the web version with View Email, and use the print dialog to produce a tidy, accurate printout. Keep these same steps in mind for any future newsletters, and you'll have reliable, hard copies whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay this walkthrough the next time you are preparing materials for your team or stakeholders.